it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I'm going to be showing y'all my summer makeup routine, and I am so excited to be getting into this video. So I use a lot of affordable products in my daily routine. Now sometimes I do use different eyeshadow palettes, or I'll use a different lip color, but for the majority of this summertime, this is pretty much has been my go-to look recently. I really hope you all do enjoy this video, and let's get right on into this tutorial. Alrighty, using the Maybelline City Mini palette in the shade Graffiti Pop, I'm actually just going to be taking that shade right there and applying it to my crease. It's just a matte light taupe color, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using this end of this double-ended brush and blending it out with this side. Now taking the gold glitter shade from this little palette, I'm going to apply that to the lid, and I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. Alrighty, and now comes the fun part in the tutorial, which is why I chose to use this little shadow palette today. We're just going to be applying the purple shade to my lower lash line with this little angled brush. And the reason why I chose to use this eyeshadow palette today is because it's super fun, it's super colorful. You can get something really colorful out of this palette, or you can just do what I did and do a very simple neutral eye look, and then just do a tiny little pop of color on the lower lash line. And another great thing about this little eyeshadow palette as well is that it's available at the drugstore. So it's super affordable. It's only $7 and you literally cannot beat it. Plus all of the shades are super pigmented and very buttery and smooth and easy to blend out. Alrighty, now taking this black pencil liner from LA Colors. This is just a black basic eyeliner, and I'm actually going to use this to line my waterline. And I'm just going to go a little bit halfway in. I'm not going to go all the way into the inner part of my eye right here, because my eyes are super small, and I feel like when I do go all the way in, it kind of makes them look a little bit smaller than what they actually are. So that's why I kind of like to just kind of line this little inner half right here instead. So that is just what I'm going to be doing. Alrighty, now all that's left to do is curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara. The mascara that I'm going to be using today is Benefit's They're Real. They give you such long and super lengthened lashes. It literally looks like you have falsies on whenever you do wear this mascara. Now, this is not a waterproof mascara, but if you need a really good waterproof mascara for the summertime, I recommend the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. The waterproof version of that mascara is fantastic, and it literally stays on all day long. It doesn't smudge or flake off. It is seriously amazing. Alright, now to warm up my complexion, I'm just going to be using this bronzer from the Profusion Face Kit in the shade Sunlight Bronze. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this brush. Alrighty, and now for blush, I'm just going to be using the Essence Mosaic blush in the shade All You Need Is Pink. This is just a really pretty peachy pink blush, and it's perfect for the summertime, which is why I love to use this blush during this season. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using the Profusion Blush Brush. Alrighty, and last but certainly not least for the face is highlighter. And for highlighter, I'm just going to be using the Adora Brighten Me Up Bronzing and Highlighter palette. And I'm going to use the pink highlighter in this palette to highlight my face. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. highlighting brush. Alright, last but certainly not least is lips, and then we're done. So for lips, I'm just going to be using the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer Lip Gloss in the shade Sassy. This is a beautiful, bright, hot pink lip gloss, and it is perfect for the summertime. I love rocking a bold lip in the summer, because summer is all about having fun and experimenting with color, and there's no better place to do that on your body parts than your eyes and your lips, which is why I love to go crazy with my makeup in the summertime. I love the applicator of this lip gloss because it's a slanted sponge tip applicator. It does have a little hole in the middle that distributes the product onto your lips, and I really do like the formula of this lip gloss as well because it is a moisturizing lip gloss, so it really does hydrate your lips, which is nice because you don't want anything that's like matte or dry on your lips, especially during the summertime, because that's when, you know, the air is a little bit more drier and a little bit more warm, so you want to keep something a little bit more moisturizing on your lips during the summertime. Not only that, but this lip gloss is not sticky, which is another huge plus for me as well because I hate sticky lip glosses. So that was my summer makeup routine. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Thank y'all so much for watching this, and I will see you in my next one really, really soon. Bye!